Welcome back, travel enthusiasts. Today we're heading to the land of the rising sun, a country that blends ancient traditions with cutting-edge technology. That's right, we're talking about Japan. From the bustling streets of Tokyo to the serene temples of Kyoto, Japan offers a unique experience for every traveler. Stay tuned as we explore the 10 best places to visit in Japan. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest travel adventures. Let's dive in. 1. Tokyo. Our journey begins in the vibrant capital city, Tokyo. Tokyo is a metropolis that never sleeps, offering a mix of traditional and modern attractions. Visit the iconic Shibuya crossing, explore the historic Asakusa district and Sensoji Temple, and enjoy panoramic views from Tokyo Tower. For a taste of the futuristic, head to Odaiba and see the giant Gundam statue. Don't forget to indulge in some of the best sushi and ramen in the world. 2. Kyoto. Next we travel to Kyoto, Japan's cultural heart. Kyoto is home to thousands of temples and shrines, each offering a glimpse into Japan's rich heritage. Walk through the mesmerizing torii gates at Fushimi Inari Shrine, take a serene stroll in the Arashiyama Bamboo Grove, and visit the Golden Pavilion, Kinkakuji. Experience a traditional tea ceremony and explore the historic Gion district, where you might spot a geisha. 3. Osaka. Osaka, known for its modern architecture and vibrant nightlife, is a city that never fails to impress. Visit the majestic Osaka Castle, a symbol of the city's history and resilience. Explore Dotonbori, the city's entertainment district, famous for its neon lights, street food, and the iconic Glyco Running Man sign. Don't miss the chance to try Osaka's culinary delights, like takoyaki and okonomiyaki. 4. Hiroshima. Hiroshima is a city that has risen from the ashes, symbolizing peace and resilience. Visit the Hiroshima Peace Memorial Park and Museum to learn about the city's history and the impact of the atomic bomb. Take a short ferry ride to Miyajima Island to see the iconic Itsukushima Shrine, known for its floating torii gate, one of Japan's most photographed landmarks. 5. Nara. Nara, the ancient capital of Japan, is known for its friendly deer and impressive temples. Visit Nara Park, where hundreds of free-roaming deer will greet you. Explore Todaiji Temple, home to the world's largest bronze statue of Buddha, and marvel at the architectural beauty of Kasuga Taisha Shrine. The serene atmosphere and historical significance of Nara make it a must-visit destination. 6. Hokkaido. Hokkaido, Japan's northernmost island, is a nature lover's paradise. In winter, the Sapporo Snow Festival showcases incredible ice sculptures and winter activities. In summer, the rolling flower fields of Furano bloom with vibrant colors. Explore the stunning Shiratoko Peninsula, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, and relax in the hot springs of Noborubetsu. Hokkaido's natural beauty is breathtaking year-round. 7. Okinawa. Okinawa, a tropical paradise, offers a different side of Japan. Known for its beautiful beaches and crystal-clear waters, Okinawa is perfect for snorkeling, diving, and relaxing. Visit Shurijo Castle, a symbol of Okinawa's unique Ryukyu culture, and explore the Okinawa Chiraumi Aquarium, home to whale sharks and a variety of marine life. The laid-back island vibe and rich culture make Okinawa a special destination. 8. Nikko. Nikko, located north of Tokyo, is renowned for its stunning natural scenery and historical sites. The Nikko Toshogu Shrine, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, is a lavishly decorated complex dedicated to Tokugawa Ieyasu. Experience the beauty of Keigon Falls, one of Japan's most famous waterfalls, and relax in the hot springs of Kinugawa Onsen. Nikko's blend of nature and history offers a peaceful retreat from the city. 9. Kamakura. Kamakura, a coastal town near Tokyo, is famous for its historic temples and the Great Buddha, a massive bronze statue dating back to the 13th century. Explore the serene Tsurugaoka Hachimangu Shrine, the spiritual heart of Kamakura, and hike the scenic trails of the Kamakura Alps. The town's laid-back atmosphere and beautiful beaches make it a perfect day trip from Tokyo. 10. Mount Fuji. Our final destination is the iconic Mount Fuji, Japan's tallest and most famous mountain. Climbing Mount Fuji is a popular summer activity, offering stunning views from the summit. If hiking isn't your thing, enjoy the majestic sight of Mount Fuji from the surrounding Fuji 5 Lakes region, particularly from Lake Kawaguchi. Visit the Chureito Pagoda for one of the most picturesque views of the mountain. And that wraps up our tour of the 10 best places to visit in Japan. From the bustling streets of Tokyo to the serene beauty of Mount Fuji, Japan truly has something for everyone. Which destination are you most excited to visit? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your fellow travelers, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing travel guides. Until next time, happy travels!